Hello. I lost my job. Again.
Oh no, Johnny. What job was it this time?
I had a job at a car shop. I sold cars.
A car shop. Nice. You sell a car and another car and another car. One car. But a shop is full of cars.
So many cars. Red cars, blue cars, big cars, small cars.
And you had a boss.
I had a boss. A tall boss. The boss liked me.
One boss, two bosses. One box, two boxes. When a word ends with a SSS sound, we add ES. Listen, Johnny. A car. A boss. A dog. But an apple, an orange, an office.
Why, Robert?
Because apple, orange, and office start with a big open sound. A-E-I-O-U. And the is for one special thing. The car you love. The dog. The boss.
So, Johnny, what happened? Why did you lose the job?
Well, a dog walked past the shop. A little brown dog. A beautiful dog. So I followed the dog. Out of the shop, down the street.
And the cars?
I forgot the cars. I forgot the keys, the cars, the boss, the shop. When I came back, the boss was angry. He said, "Johnny, no more cars for you. Goodbye."
Johnny, this is not a new story.
It's true. Last month, the bakery. You followed a dog. Before that, the flower shop. You followed a dog.
It was a different dog.
It is always a dog.
Johnny, you have a big heart. And you need a job. One dog, one job. Not one dog, zero jobs.
You are right, Robert. I need a job with dogs.
A job with dogs.
Yes. A dog park. Many dogs, and I keep my job.
A dog park. With many dogs. Johnny, you will follow all the dogs.
Oh? That is a problem.
One problem at a time, Johnny. One problem at a time.
Robert, can I have a biscuit? 2 biscuits.
One biscuit. And then we find a new job.